Oh, and then convert half the personnel to hit big shots. So let's see. Bounty now. Waiting for Jordan Heading. Makes his move. Will attack again. Same side. That's a miss, pero 2 free throws yan could cut it to a 1 possession game.
Yun eh. Two very important free throws dahil pwede maibaba ng apat.
Sydney on Mubere matatawagan ng foul. Jordan Heading is also having a super game, Charlie.
Eh, 30 rin yata ito si ano eh.
Oh,
30 na si Munzon.
Sir. Couple of 30-point games. Willie Miller, syempre natutuwa siya dahil isa pang kayang-kayang umiscore din ng 30 niyan. Beside him was Alex Cabagnot who did not see minutes today.
Apat lang ang lamang. 1 possession ng buyan under the new rules of the PBA. Here's Joshua Munzon, the hot hand. Stockton in his face. Minute and 28 remaining. Munzon's feeling it, but he gives it to Jack. He'll take a 3. And it drops para kay Kadim. Alam mo yung nangyari doon? Si Munzon ang pumasa eh. Yung hot hand ni Munzon, napasa na kay Kadim Jack.
Okay yun
Diba? Chick Diallo lost it and taken away from the orange, by the orange men.
Galing.
Wow, and everything going North Fort's way right now.
So on top of this hot shooting ng mga naka-orange, getting stops pa on the other side. Charlie 7-point lead. Wala tayong isang minuto.
Baka ma-spoil ang big night ni Jordan Heading, ha? Let's see if they can hang on North Fort. Evanelli! One more time. Not there, but he gets it back. Follows his own miss. On Mubere outside to Munzon. And why not? Waste the time.
Yes. 8-second shot clock para sa kanila.
Man bun versus ponytail. Here comes Munzon. Off one leg. Naku kung pumasok pa yun. Ewan ko na talaga. But it almost went in. But they wasted a lot of time there. Oh, that's a foul though from Tolentino. And that's free throws. So that was a free from Arvin Tolentino. And Coach Bonnie shakes his head. You didn't have to do that. Because you're stopping the time.
Kaya nga eh.
Diba?
But the thing is, luckily they have a 7-point lead here. So kahit may pasok ang dalawa, it's still 2 possessions sa kanilang kalamangan. 5 pa rin. There's Coach Frank Atienza, Danny Ai. Of course, on that converge side.
Kabilang side naman, si Renzi Bahar, si Jeff Napa, and Pito Harencio, of course, andyan. Okay,
5
5
pa rin.
points. Foul agad si Stockton, pero foul to give yun. First in the last 2 minutes, I believe, though. Or penalty na.
It's gonna be
Okay, first in the last 2 minutes.
Yeah,
So then,
yeah.
the next one will be, will merit free throws already.
Stopping that play, no? Sideline lamang ang throw-in ng